What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Linkshare on your Samsung Galaxy phone. If you don't know what Linkshare is, it's a service that Samsung gives you for free that allows you to share videos, photos, documents, pretty much anything that you want, up to 5 gigabytes per day for free. And it's a really cool service. What it does is it creates a link for you, and then you can share that link with a contact or pretty much anyone else. And it's just an easy way to share stuff. So like if you have friends and family on an iPhone and you want to share some photos that you took or videos that you took, it's an easy way to do that. And again, up to 5 gigabytes of data per day. So without further ado, let's jump into this video. So the first and easiest, most way would probably be to go to your gallery app and share some photos and or videos and then send them the link. So let's do that first. So what we're going to do is open up our gallery app. Once we have the gallery app open, what we're going to do is we're going to select a couple of photos and a couple of videos, and let's do that. So we're just going to press long and hold. There we go, I got 2 photos selected. And I'm also gonna choose this video and I'll select one other more photo. At that point, I have everything selected I personally want. Then at the bottom, you're gonna see share. Tap on share, not the singer, but the word share. From here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna tap on quick share. I know it doesn't say link share, but it's actually hidden within there. So tap quick share next. And if you don't see quick share, just swipe all the way to the bottom to the right and hit more, and then look for quick share. It should show you a long list of apps that are in there, but look for quick share. Once you tap quick share, you have a couple of options here. Now, if you just know the person that you want to send these files to, an easy way is just to tap down where it says share to contacts and tap show all. And then from here, you can search for the contact and then just tap on their name and it will upload those photos and videos to Linkshare and allow you to send it. So I'll show you that real quick. So I have my contact typed up at the top. I'm going to tap on their name. And it says the text message containing a link will be sent to the recipient. So I'm going to hit OK. Once it's done uploading, it's going to sent by text message. So it actually automatically sends the information to them. So if I go into my text messages, now I'll see that link that person can click on to see that. So if I tap on the link myself, this is exactly what they see. They see everything that I just saw. At the bottom, I can share it with more people, or I can stop sharing if I want as well. Or if I go back to that message, I can just press and hold on the link and copy it and then paste it to wherever I want. Now, another way to do it without having to send a text message to someone, maybe you just want the link because you're gonna post it online, or you're gonna email it, or you're gonna send it some other way, is the following. So I have my photos and videos selected, and then I'm gonna go down to share at the bottom. I'm gonna choose quick share again. And then from here, you're actually gonna tap that little QR code icon on the right. If you tap that, that brings up the ability to share using a QR code. Now you can do that, or if you see at the bottom, it says copy URL. So copy URL, and it says, now I have it copied. I can send it anywhere that I want and any way that I want. I can text it, I can email that link, I can social media post it, I can do whatever I want, and it's gonna last for about 2 or 3 days. Now, another little trick about Linkshare is you can do the following. If you go into connected devices, and then you go into quick share, and you'll see Linkshare history. You can tap on that, and you can see everything that you've received and sent, and you can tap on it if you want. And I can stop sharing if I want as well. And then going back to that quick share page, if you look at auto delete expired files, you can tap on that and you can delete any files that are past their expiration date so you don't have them in that list anymore. You can also turn on use Wi-Fi only if you only want to share your files that way. Also at the bottom there, you can see that you have an expiration date for private sharing. You can actually tap on that and set a much longer time to share things if you want. Like if you want it to be, let's see, I guess you can do up to 6 days. So you can go up to 6 days and private share files that way as well. Now, what if you're not looking to share photos and videos, but you want to share something else? Now, if you can't find a way to share it and you can't find the file, you can always go into your Files app. So let's type Files. At the top there, you just type Files and then go into the My Files app. And then from here, you can share whatever you want, again, with that. So for instance, if I go into my downloads, and maybe I want to share an MP3 or a voice memo that I have saved or created, I can just press and hold it again. I can do multiple of these if I want, but maybe it's just one I want to do. I'll do share, and then I'll do quick share, and then I'm going to tap that icon right there for the QR code, and then I'm going to hit copy URL. And again, when you paste that, anybody will be able to access that you want, and you'll be able to share it that way. So you can share it basically anything like I said. So find it in My Files app, or go to the Gallery app to find your photos or videos. It's a really cool feature for Samsung phones. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you down the road. Peace.